Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I'm a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, I do a variety of different videos, mostly related to skin, makeup, lifestyle, mid-size fashion. But I also do a lot of nail videos, even though I'm not wearing nails right now. But I've been doing this series about Hello Love. It is a press-on nail company that I have partnered with recently. And I absolutely love their nails. And every week for the next several weeks, they are dropping their fall collection. So every week there will be new nails dropping. If you've never heard of Hello Love, like I said, it's press-on nails. If you're new to the press-on nail world, girl, let me tell you, it is amazing. I look like a hot mess is the end of the day. I've been on literally back-to-back meetings, but I wanted to hurry up and do this video so that it can post tomorrow when the third, I think we're on a third week, the third launch. And I'm really excited about this one because this one's a really fun one, but I am a huge football fan. I am a huge Dallas Cowboys fan, and not just Dallas Cowboys, but all football. I subscribe to like the NFL network so that I can get the games and I replay them back. This year I feel a little bit disconnected, but it's just because I got a lot going on. But this is the new launch that is going to be launching when you guys see it. It will be launching today on Thursday, but it is these nails right here. So, so cute. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about these nails, like the difference in case you're like, oh my God, this is not enough. These are what we call our accent packs. So we have our full size packs that have full, I think there's 24 nails in here. Is it 24? Yeah, I think it's 24 nails. It will fit all of your nails. It is meant to do a full set. The accent packs are only meant to do these 3 fingers. So they're accent, they kind of fit, but there's a variety. They only have 10, these have 24, and you can mix and match them. So I will put up a screenshot here of the Dallas Cowboys nails I did with this. I did it with this color here, which is Yankees, my thing came off, the Yankees win. And then I did it with, I invented that because I didn't have any white. So I did kind of like this neutral navy and white with the football things for Dallas Cowboys. You can also do, what else? Like if you want to do UFC, I'm just thinking of like college, UFC? No, UCF, not UFC. That's the Ultimate Fighter, or the fighter thing. UCF, like this colors with this. You can just do a whole bunch of stuff. If you want to do red with, I don't even know, red and, I don't know, maybe these are Steelers too. I don't know that I know all the other football things, but I just wasn't prepared to talk about anything other than the Dallas Cowboys because that's all truly what I care about. But it's a really, really cute accent pack. And let me just show you, like this is how many, oh, you could see, where did my nails go? I must have had some. But you get 5 different nails. And like I said, they all come in pretty much these 3 different sizes. So you can do a variety of different things with them. I am really, really excited about this launch. This is the only nail that's going to be launching that is new. Really, really excited, but just wanted to show you guys what is launching in case you wanted to see a video of it. Follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be posting that on it as well. But just wanted to come on here real quick and show you the nails that are going to be launching. I will have my website down below. If you are new to the press-on nail world, this is an awesome way to save money. These are durable nails that's going to hold up. If you do the prep correctly and you do it the correct way, you can get a 2-week wear of these nails. That's how awesome it is. I usually switch them up every single week just because I get bored with them, but they will legit last for 2 weeks if you do the prep correctly. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll leave my website down below. Definitely follow me on Instagram because I'm more active on there and I respond to the DMs. A lot of people will put the comments down below and sometimes I'm a little delayed on them. So if you want to get a question answered quickly, DM me on Instagram or email me and I will be able to respond relatively quickly. It's just here on YouTube with the way that the comments come through, I don't always see them right away. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely pick those up. If you are a football fan, you're gonna need this. If you have kids that are playing football, this is football season. Have a cute Manny that goes along with you screaming on the sideline for your kid, pummeling people. Now to drink my glass of wine after my very, very long day. Cheers.